sudden. Good morning from the Plaza de Armas in Cusco, Peru. I have one day to explore this amazing city and very little money to do it with. So we're gonna find as many free or nearly free things as we can do, like visiting these cathedrals, explore some unique neighborhoods, maybe check out some ruins. But first, we're gonna test my resiliency to the altitude sickness. Try and run / hike up to that Jesus statue up top there. I haven't eaten and I'm running about 5 hours of sleep, so any one of those things could take me down. So wish me luck. For some reason, the maps I downloaded last night are no longer in my phone. I'm winging it. I'm just gonna keep going uphill. I feel like that's a safe bet. Hola, perrito. You're wearing a shirt. That's fun. This is a 200-meter, whoa. That's cool. It's a 200-meter elevation gain from the bottom. The bottom is already 3,400 meters, which is about 11,100 feet. So it's high. Oh, I see the puma. They said it was shaped in the shape of a crouching puma. I can see it now. Also, this is Cusco. It's spelled differently, or they spell it with a Z. On our boarding pass, they spelled it with a Z. So, yeah, it's all the same place. Oh, look at the guard dogs. They're so cute. Hi, guys. Now we're talking. Let's just go straight up the stairs. Another dog. Hello there. Okay, that one got me. I am now at a snail's pace. I'm not tired. You're tired. I just want to admire the view for a minute. This is it. I can feel it. Last set of staircases. There's a park at the top. That's got to be it. What is this? Whew. There's donkeys up here. That's fun. There's a road up here. So if you want to take a taxi, be my guest. It is most likely worth the money. Still good. I don't feel like I'm about to die. I don't feel too out of breath. I'm pretty happy about that. You're wearing a hat. Aren't you the cutest thing ever? There's a viewing platform here, and that view is fantastic. And there's some ruins back here, so I'm gonna go see if I can go explore those. I read in the guidebook last night that that's pronounced Saqsaywaman. There's this trail straight out the parking lot. It goes right to it, hopefully. I like going downhill. This is much better. Also, can you hear that yelling? That's a llama. That was a really short little shortcut. That booth right there says control ticket. That is as close as you can get without actually paying. I'm gonna shoot down the hill here. Hopefully that leads back to Cusco. It really is incredible how they've sculpted all the granite there. It fits perfectly. It's amazing. I imagine they were all the same size and dimensions so that they would fit together like bricks, but this is just showing off. Bottom of that trail there is another ticket control. So it looks like you can go down but not up. I imagine they would stop me if I tried to go up that. My body is feeling good running down all these stairs. Love it. Not really sure where I am. Seems like a city center. There are cops everywhere in Cusco, and I just asked her for directions. I would have gone the wrong way, so it was a good thing. I got super lost on the way back, missed Plaza Las Armas by a long shot, so I was a little late getting back to the hotel, but I've eaten breakfast, I took a shower, and I'm going back to Plaza Las Armas because they do a free walking tour on the hour every hour. There's the group. That's convenient. This is not Inca. Not Inca. Inca. How does that even work? That is so cool.
Smaller ears and woolly heads.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's the llama. That's alpaca.
Oh, this is hair. Look at how beautiful. So fluffy.
Yeah, shake his tail. Dame un beso.
Dale besito.
Okay, that is the base of what used to be the Sun Temple. You can recognize it because I was here this morning when I was lost. That is seriously unbelievable how that meets up so perfectly. Crazy. So this was part of an ancient palace. This is one block, but the palace was 6 blocks large. And each of these were one-story houses that families lived in. It dates back to the 15th century. He said the reason that the angles are all off is because of the earthquakes. If they were flat like we do bricks nowadays, during an earthquake they would just slide. But these would never slide during the earthquakes. That's why the bricks are still here 600 years after they were built. Also, this is an unfinished one. You can see that it's super smooth right here, and that's where it was fitted. But in the back, they're not as sculpted, and so they filled the back with dirt and gravel. And then over here on the edges, it's only maybe 3 inches back that it's fitted, and then they just fill it in with gravel on the back. So it's just the facade that's really perfect. So all of these were finished afterwards, you can tell, because there's so much mortar in there. And this is Incan. You can see just how perfect it is. We're going up to probably the lookout that I was at before. So we finished up the tour. It was about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Really, really informative. We learned about the Mayan walls, we learned about food, we learned about the government, camps, and all sorts of stuff. And now we are headed to an aqueduct. Cross your fingers we can find it. We're just kind of exploring now. So we took that same path all the way over from the lookout. Once we cross the river, there's a big old rock to our right. Come up into this park and the aqueducts are right here. Look how tall these seesaws are.
That's scary.
That is crazy. I'm 6 feet tall. I'll just launch you.
Let's try it.
Yeah, you can totally launch somebody on this.
Launching for the video, that would be a great okay. Superman.
I love this city. There's so much energy. It's so fun. Everybody's having a blast. Lunchtime. Empuje. So all these plates of chicken, just 17 soles. It's about $5 or $6. It's a fantastic deal if you're on a budget. Traditional Peruvian chicken. It was good. Whatever that rub is on the skin is delicious.
It's like some of the best chicken I've ever had. This is the best alpaca I've ever had. Really good.
Yeah?
It's tasty. It reminds me of venison.
Yeah, venison. The fries are really good too. Unexpected. Unlimited salad as well. Comes with our chicken. That was a delicious lunch. I'm super full. Now we're walking a couple blocks over to San Pedro Market, where there's lots of stuff to look at. This place is ginormous. It has literally everything I could possibly think of. There's fruits and spices, all the ingredients you could ever want for Peruvian food. You've got toys and trinkets and household items and clothing. It's everything. So after checking prices, it seems that the Asunta store that we were at earlier is a much better deal. There's a lot more stuff here, so you have a much better selection. But if you want the best prices, we're probably gonna go back to the Asunta store and buy some stuff over there. This is Calle Santa Clara, which looks like it's gonna lead back to the Plaza Las Armas. So I'm gonna take that back and see what happens. This looks pretty cool. So that is the Arco Santa Clara, and it opens up to this big plaza, which is the Plaza San Francisco. Santa Clara turns into a pedestrian street here, and I can see the Plaza Las Armas right in front of me. Let's check out all these cathedrals. It's free, but it's just a bunch of shops. Templo de la Compania de Jesus. Not allowed to take pictures with or without flash or video, nothing. You can climb partway up the tower and get a view out, and they said you can film and take pictures from up here. So this place was 10 soles, which right now is about $3. That is an amazing deal. Yeah, this is worth it for sure. That is where you can get to with the view. The inside is really cool. By far the coolest part of it is the altar. It goes up 21 meters, like 69 feet. All gold leaf on intricate wood carvings. Really, really cool. So I'm here in Cusco meeting with some business leaders, so I've actually got to go through our meeting right now. I will flash forward and we'll go inside these when I have a chance. Great business meeting. I'm back here. Got half an hour now before this thing closes, and let's go check it out. So same deal, no photos or video inside any of these. And I gotta tell you, walking into this one is pretty big, and it is impressive to walk through that. One thing I do like about this, you enter over here and it's one ticket price for all of this. If you really don't want to pay any money, is just go to mass. All of these are active churches, so you can go to mass and see the inside without paying anything. I think it goes from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and then after 9 a.m. you have to pay to get in. Okay, now I'm gonna head 2 blocks over. It's actually 1 block down and 1 block over to the JW Marriott. They do a free tour at 6 p.m. every night. It's open to the public, and the Marriott is built in an old convent. So they're gonna give a tour of the whole place, tell you about the history, and they actually found some Inca ruins in the basement when they were doing some excavations to build the hotel. So let's go check that out.
Todos los centros religiosos del imperio y la mayoría de palacios, most important authorities of the Augustinian order didn't have a clear position.
That's the insignia of the Augustine monks.
The monks walk barefoot every day over this kind of floor. It was used for the penitence. This is the main patio of the hotel and also was the main patio of the convent. For this reason, around us we can see 27 archways made with bricks of bakery type, the same kind of bricks that we saw on the roof of the reception. All those archways are located over the stone columns, and all the stone columns of this place have the ornamental details of the colonial time.
So in the back there you can tell that's colonial wall because they use arches. Incans did not use arches in their construction. This right here, this wall is Incan. You can see how it fits together so perfectly.
Thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
So we came back to Artesanias Asunta. Got some stuff for Isa and for baby Kai. There's so much to choose from in here.
I like it.
It looks really good.
I'm happy with it.
We got these lounge socks for Isa, these comfy alpaca socks she can wear around the house. And for Kai, look how cute this is. Oh yeah. All this together was like $7 or $8, so it's a great deal. We were about to leave and then this happened. We should get you 2 flutes to play. Oh yes. Boomerang, go, go, go. Okay, so that's it for our adventure in Cusco. Make sure you subscribe because tomorrow we're going to Agua Calientes and then to Machu Picchu. If you want to see videos from Lima or the Amazon, click over here. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.